Want to get more done in less time with Dola AI? Yeah. From writing and research to scheduling and task management, Dola AI can really speed up your workflow. In this guide, I'll show you how to boost productivity using Dola AI. First, organize your chats and projects. Rename important conversations, pin key chats, and use categories or folders if available. A tidy workspace saves time and keeps you focused. Explore Dola AI's bots for productivity. For example, use bots for generating ideas, drafting emails or documents, summarizing notes, or creating checklists. Bots can automate repetitive tasks and save you hours. Dola AI can help automate tasks you do often. For instance, schedule recurring prompts, create templates, or reuse previous chat outputs. Automation keeps you moving without starting from scratch each time. To get faster results, write clear and detailed prompts. Include the task type, format or style, and length or word count. The more specific you are, the better the AI works for you. Regularly review your AI outputs. Check for quality, edit when needed, and track what works best. This helps you continuously improve your workflow, and that's it. Organize your workspace, use productivity bots, automate tasks, write clear prompts, and review your work. Dola AI makes it easier than ever to stay productive and get more done.